Okay, next one, find ABC. Okay, so we're trying to find this angle here. We know these are both what are called parallel, so these two angles have to add up to 180. So that has to be 110. So we know that these angles add up to 360. So it's going to be 360 subtract 110 plus 115, which gives 135. You can do it like calc. It shouldn't be traumatic. Right, so we're finding the distance from town A to town C. So it's another cosine rule question. So part B, let's call it x. X squared equals 5 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8 cos of the angle we've just worked out, 135. Note we are now back into degrees. So before we put this into our calc, we need to make sure our mode is set back at degrees. And then we're inputting in. So 5 squared plus 8 squared multiplied by 2, take away 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8 cos of 135, and then we square root that answer. Is 12.1 to 3 significant figures. And these are 1 kilometers. Use the sine rule to find ACB. Different colour. ACB, so we're trying to find this length here. If we're asked to find the sine rule, then we're going to use this angle here with this one and the value we just found with the 135. So see, sine of, let's call this theta, theta over the length opposite it equals sine 135 over 12.1. So sine theta is sine 135 over 12.1 multiplied by 5. So sine 135 over 12.1 multiplied by 5. And then obviously we inverse sine that. 16.98, so that becomes 17.0. And that's degrees. Find the term x to the 6 in this expansion. So I don't even remember from paper 1. So, where do I want that? Sorry, I want this. So, part A, so we've got 9R, x to the power 9 minus R, and 2 to the power R. We need this value here to be 6, which means that R has to be 3. It's a nice straightforward one, so it's 9, 3, x to the power 6, 2 to the power 3. And we've got our calcs. So we're finding 9 NCR3. Let me remember. I think your calculators now. What was I doing? NCR. Yes, good. So 9 NCR3 is 84. So this is 84x to the 6. 2 cubed is 8. So it's 84 times 8. 84 multiplied by 8 is 672. Hence, find the term in x to the 7 of this expansion. Right. Well, if we're finding x to the 7, it means that we have to multiply this by 5x. Well, that's the only way you're going to get an... No, it's not. That's a lie, Miss Harrison. No, it is. That's the only way you're going to get x to the 7 for this expansion. So, b, it's 5x multiplied by 672x to the 6. So 5 multiplied by 672 gives 3360.